They say you can't outrun your past. But what if you could build a future so quiet it silences the noise? Deep in the anonymous green of a forgotten jungle, one man is trying. But the question is not what he is building. It is what he is building from. Here, the only sounds are the ones he chooses to make. The whisper of a blade against wood, the breath of the wind. This forest is more than a refuge. It is a silent collaborator, a witness to his reconstruction. Every tree he fells is a memory he's letting go. Every splinter, a piece of a life left behind. He's not just building a shelter. He is building a man he can live with. Each beam is a choice, a step away from who he was. But in this solitude, one learns that nature is the ultimate architect. And its first lesson is patience. He works not against the forest, but with it. Learning its language in the grain of the wood. This isn't just a house, it's a dialogue. A conversation between his hands and the wild heart of the world. The city teaches you to build with steel and glass. The jungle teaches you to build with what is given. To find strength not in force, but in balance. With every swing of the axe, he carves a new line for his own story. The weight of the wood is nothing compared to the weight of the life he carried here. The roof is not just to keep out the rain. It's to hold a new sky. One he can look up at and finally breathe under. And as the structure takes shape, so does a sense of peace. He finds that the most profound creations require no audience. The satisfaction is in the silent, steady act of becoming. This is not an escape, it's a return. A return to the essential. To the simple, brutal honesty of effort and reward. The forest demands everything from you. Your sweat, your focus, your respect. And in return it gives you yourself. Here, there's no currency but skill. No status, but what you can raise with your own two hands. From the chaos of a fallen log, he brings forth order, planing away the rough exterior to find the truth within. It's a metaphor he understands all too well. Each shaving that falls to the ground is a moment of the past discarded. And slowly, something new begins to emerge. First the foundation, then the floor. The very ground he stands on is one he laid himself, solid, real. But even in this self-made world, the wild reminds him he is a guest. a quiet observer in a kingdom that has existed for millennia. This place he has built is not a fortress against the world. It is a perch from which to understand it. Even the smallest details hold a purpose. The bamboo railings are not a cage, but an embrace. A line drawn between the safety within and the beautiful chaos without. Every knot tied is a promise made to himself. A promise of stability, of permanence. Even the door is more than an entrance. It is a threshold between two versions of his life. His work extends beyond the shelter. He begins to shape the land itself, not as a conqueror, but as a partner. Using the stones of the riverbed to build a path. He is not just passing through this landscape. He is becoming a part of its story. His hands, once perhaps used for different tasks, now only know the rhythm of creation. He digs into the earth, not to take, but to build. Each post he sets is an anchor for his new identity. A framework rises from the ground, a skeleton of what will be. It is a testament to the fact that even from nothing, something can grow. And when the work is done, the river offers its absolution. But the cycle of creation does not end. He gathers the fallen leaves, the ghosts of seasons past. And through fire, he purifies them. Smoke carries away what is no longer needed, leaving behind only the essence, the ash. This is not an act of destruction. It is a ritual of transformation. He returns to the earth what he took from it. A quiet offering, a burial of the old. So that something new may have the chance to grow. He now works with the earth itself, mixing soil and water. The basic ingredients of life. He is not just a builder of wood and stone anymore. He is learning to speak the language of the land in all its forms. The discarded husks of coconuts become bricks. Waste becomes a wall, a beginning. He's not just building a house, he's creating an ecosystem. A place where nothing is wasted. Where everything finds a new purpose. He gathers the wild grass, not to clear it, but to give his home a crown. A thatched roof, woven from the land itself. A breathing shelter. And life, in all its forms, watches him, accepts him, He is no longer an intruder here. He belongs. The river offers its stones, each one smoothed by 1,000 years of patience. He carries them from the water to his home. And with them, he paves his floor. He is walking on the history of the river, creating a foundation of timelessness. His world expands. It's no longer just about survival. It's about creating a life that sustains others. The simple act of repair becomes a form of care. A commitment to the creatures that share his world. He is a guardian of this small clearing in the vast green. And now, he builds bridges. Not just over water, but between his past and his future. He has learned to turn the rawest materials into vessels of hope. This raft is more than wood and rope. It is a platform for new beginnings. His hands move with a certainty that was once absent. The craft has become second nature. He stands on the work of his hands, steady on the shifting water. He is no longer afraid of the currents, for he has learned to build something that can float. And now, he does not take from the earth. He prepares to give back. He fills the empty shells with soil, with the potential for life. He is planting a floating garden, a legacy. A promise that even in the deepest isolation, life can flourish. And in this quiet corner of the world, life answers. He is no longer just a builder of things. He is a cultivator of life. A man who finally came home. A very special thank you to the owner of the Comfort TV for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.